Thing is, actors are in the limelight, so anything they do
Yeah.
is
True.
news. Okay,
Yeah.
people fall ill every other day. People die every other day.
Yeah. Okay.
But that's the truth. It's not just about Nollywood. It's because we put out our stuff out
Yeah.
there for
True.
people to see.
Out
Okay.
there,
Make them they
actually.
talk now.
Yes.
Once
but
you
the
put
thing
out
is-
your matter, make people talk.
Yeah,
Can talk for
okay.
any reason, right,
No,
wrong,
no,
left.
I don't. Me,
right.
I
It
don't
doesn't matter.
personally. I don't
Is
think-
Mr. Ibu complaining about the talk?
Is Mr. Ibu happy with what is going on?
Did
with
he
him
tell you
right
he's
now?
not happy? Mr. Ibu announced that he needs money. That's the only video he has done. Simple. If you want to give him money, give him money. Every other thing people are doing are extras. The man is concerned about getting well. Nollywood, in terms of fees and all that, we are not where we should be. Okay. You have the highest earning actor, maybe earning 1.5 million for 3 days, 4 days movie. Sometimes do movie for 2 weeks, 5 million. Okay, 5 million naira. What's 5 million naira right now? That actor, his class of actor in Hollywood is earning $25 million. And they are not that big. I've done this for a very long time. I've been in Nollywood for 18 years.
How
I'll
about
tell you it's
living
not that
within
big.
that? Living within what you earn. How about living within what you earn?
Live within it now.
Aloha. It's been a while and we are back with the season 2 of our Naija podcast. I'd have said drum roll, please, but yeah. So today we have me, my humble self, Omogie Joy, and my co-host, RukkyG.
Hi, people.
And we also have a veteran Nollywood actor and a filmmaker. What do I say to give this away? Okay, that's Nollywood actor that has that voice, that deep bass and everything that has you having feelings as a lady. But let's not forget that he's married. So let me just go ahead and introduce you all to my co-host on this show, this season 2, Mr. Yul Edochie.
You forgot to add sexiest man in Nigeria.
Okay.
Most handsome man in Nigeria. Most controversial. Most wanted.
Gege.
Good to be on the show. So what is popping? Who are we dragging today? Let's deal with somebody.
Okay, today we'll be talking about Mr. Ibu's matter, from his illness to his adopted daughter Jasmine, and his wife, and all the talks around this situation at the moment.
Okay.
Though. I don't know. Okay, let's start with Rukky. Rukky, what do you have to say about the matter?
Why are you starting with me?
Uh-uh.
Why are you starting with me? Well, I think it's actually sad and disheartening for any human being to have. I don't know how true that's if it's been confirmed that his leg has actually been amputated.
Okay.
Yeah, if they've been open about it, there's no video about that yet.
Yeah, but I saw some stuff on the internet about
A
if it's
picture.
true that his legs I think it's one of the legs
Yeah.
Okay.
has actually been amputated, then it's actually sad that any human being has to go through
Yeah.
something like that. So I sympathize with him if that's true. It's really sad. But having said that, I think there are other issues that needs to be looked into, issues that lead to things like this happening, which is something that we've seen in recent times with Nollywood actors having issues that has to do with their health.
Okay.
Yeah.
It only goes to show that there's a lot of negligence on their part as regards their health, which is something that needs to be looked into. But I'm sure we'll talk about all of those things.
Okay. Negligence on whose part?
On the part of the actor, I think it's the
person
responsibility.
who's sick.
And
Okay.
the responsibility of the actor to
Okay.
look after themselves.
Themselves. Okay.
Because it's that same body that you need.
Yeah.
If
To
you don't
make
have
the
that
money.
body, you will
Okay.
not be
Work.
able to work. And
Okay.
because so I know there's a lot of adrenaline and everything that comes with entertainment and everything, and
Yes.
everybody just wants to keep up. But while you're keeping up, you also have to make sure that your health is intact.
Yeah.
It's not just what you put on, but what you put in
Okay.
to the body and everything. So I think
Yeah,
because
that makes sense.
we've seen a lot of cases of
Yes.
actors coming down with one
With
illness,
one illness
or the other.
Yeah.
And not just the illness part, the monetary aspect.
Yes,
Begging
begging
money
for
online.
money all the
The
time.
monetary aspect.
It's like they
of
were not
it.
working before.
Yeah, so that also needs to be checked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw an interview where Mrs. Patience Ozoko was saying that they ask for money when they're sick because they're not working anymore.
Okay.
But then again, it doesn't make a complete sense to me because they were working before and they were supposed to have investments and stuff. Do they run out? Like, do all those investments just run dry like that immediately?
So that's okay. I think Mr. Yul wants
Yeah.
to.
Okay. No. Go ahead if you still have something to say.
Okay, but I think that's where the problem is. It's not even just the fact that they were actors or they are actors. Aside being actors and being paid, you also have the part of endorsement. A lot of them get endorsed from companies and as such. And so you want to believe that with those endorsements alone, aside their pay as actors, they will be able to like invest
in something.
But I also saw a video, I can't remember the name of the woman now, but there was a video on internet where she particularly talked about Mr. Ibu being a very reckless person. I'm quoting her now. She said he's very reckless, that they know him in Enugu.
Who's the person?
I honestly
an actor or a journalist?
No, I think she's one of those influencers.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes, I think I'll look for that video again and check. She was saying they know him in Enugu, that he doesn't take care of his health, and that he has been to the hospital countless times, and doctors will tell him do this, but he wouldn't do it. And then now he's sick, that people are blinded, that's the problem with Nigerians. Sometimes we're very gullible to just go with what is without checking what was before. Do you understand? At the same time she's sympathizing with him, but that please, actors should take their health more seriously. Because you need that body to be able to deliver and stuff like that.
Okay. First of all, excuse me. I don't think it's just it's an actor's thing. Thing is, actors are in the limelight, so anything they do is news. Okay, people fall ill every other day. People die every other day.
Yes.
But because we always post our things out there, and they'll be talking about, go to every sector, every ministry, go to banks. You hear that their MD is sick. This person, this one just died. Now, normal thing. People die all the time. People get sick.
You're just defending Nollywood.
No. I'll you know me, I'll be very honest. I'm very blunt. I don't mind. I'll always say the truth. Sometimes the truth may hurt me, but I go talk a massive. I don't mind.
Okay.
But that's the truth. It's not just about, Nollywood. It's because we put out our stuff out there for people to see. Okay? People die all the time. That's the truth. They're always burials. They're always sick.
Yes.
I don't think it's the whole...
That's the same reason why people will talk, because your life is out there.
Then they talk now.
Yes.
Once you put out your matter, make people talk.
Yeah, but then if you know that you're out there, you're a public figure, and people will always talk, then people sometimes should talk for the right reason. I don't think that
people can talk for any reason, right, wrong, left.
I don't personally.
Is Mr. Ibu complaining about the talk?
Is Mr. Ibu happy with what is going on?
Did he tell you he's not happy?
Of course, I cannot be happy.
Did he tell you? You are speaking for him.
How can someone be sick and be happy?
Mr. Ibu announced that he needs money. That's the only video he has done. Simple. If you want to give him money, give him money. Every other thing people are doing are extras. The man is concerned about getting well.
He's concerned about
getting well. What about how you could have managed?
Yes,
maybe you could have managed it and not.
If he had money,
did he force you to?
If he had investment. But the thing is, it's always happening all the time. Nollywood actors, they just fall ill and then they are suddenly broke. They don't have any money. They don't have investments. They don't have anything coming in at all.
Let me talk about that. First of all, I'll be very honest. Nollywood, in terms of fees and all that, we are not where we should be. Okay. You have the highest earning actor, maybe earning 1.5 million for 3 days, 4 days movie. Sometimes do movie for 2 weeks, 5 million. Okay, 5 million naira. What's 5 million naira right now? That actor, his class of actor in Hollywood is earning $25 million. So first, I'll be very honest with you. We don't earn that kind of money.
But
okay,
then,
that's the thing. And then again, yes, there are also endorsements. They are not that big. I've done this for a very long time. I've been in Nollywood for 18 years.
How about living within that? living within what you earn. How about living within what you earn?
Live within it now. See what? see my
It's
point.
not small money at the end of the day.
See my point. See my point. First of all, I'm not that kind of person who will come out and beg for money. I'm a man. I believe I'll take care of myself. Okay. When I make my money, I'm entitled to however I want to spend it. When I fall ill, I'm entitled to taking care of myself. You understand? Okay, I'll give you an example. My cousin, Mona, he's late now. God bless his soul.
Yeah. Oh.
When he was, Mona Obiekwe, I don't know if you guys know him. Yes.
Yeah.
Mona was also sick. People told Mona, make a video, put out there. Mona said, lie, he will never do it. He will rather die. That he will not beg anybody for money. Okay? That's his kind of person. That's my kind of person. At the same time, I will not condemn another person for asking for funds. We roll differently. I have a lot of respect for Mr. Ebu. I give it up for him. For me, the man needs help. The only video that has come from Mr. Ebu is the video where he said, "Make una help me or send money." Yeah. Do you understand? He hasn't made any video to say, "Oh, make una help me judge my wife." He hasn't done that.
Actually, no.
Do you understand? He hasn't even made any video to say, "I'm not happy with what they are saying." No, none. The man is concerned about getting well. So we can't sit here and say, "Oh, Mr. Ebu is not happy." Who said he's not happy? He might be enjoying the publicity that the thing is giving him. Most important thing, the man needs money. Give him money. Simple.
But
he not put gun for anybody.
But still, up to now, we've not seen a video of the if they say that, because it's not about him. I don't know if he's the one. It definitely might not be the one in charge of the postings and everything.
Yeah,
but it's already out there, and they're supposed to be giving us updates.
I thought they said certain musicians
giving you update of what? You don't.
Certain
It doesn't owe you any of
No,
it.
the people that have been contributing and sending money and stuff. I'm sure the way.
Will you give somebody money and tell the person how to spend it?
No, but the money was given for a particular cause.
It doesn't matter.
But it does.
No,
It does.
if you want to do that, what you do is open maybe a GoFundMe account. You hold the money. Then so you can decide how the money will be spent. But any money you send, once you send money, see, if you give me money now and say, Yul Edochie, take this 100 million and build a house, I say thank you. Money don't enter my account. I can decide to buy a Ferrari. You don't concern anybody.
But this is for his health. Yeah,
No, understand me. If you give there's no way he will use all that money for health. Yeah. Some other money you don't give him. You don't give. When I leave the man,
okay, let's talk about the what he wants to use the money for. I'm hearing now that the wife arrested the adopted daughter, the Jasmine girl, and the stepson, that they took out about 300 million naira from the account, and then they are refusing to give her a statement of account, statement of the account. But then they're also saying that the money in the account is not even up to 300 million naira.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, the money. That's what I heard. So I said the money is not up to 300, but the
money they cost quarter steady
now. She
fight
the money.
Siblings, husband and wife.
She collected the money, and I don't. So me, I want to. The thing is, did he really get the money, and did they put it to use, like what he's actually supposed to use the money for? That's what I want to know.
That's what I'm saying. Like I feel like it would make better sense if they were giving us if they were giving the public some sort of updates on news and stuff.
Let me tell you, they don't owe the public that. If you want the public to have all that information, what you do is don't put the money into his account. Okay? Create maybe a committee for that. Have an account for the money. Create a committee that will handle that money, so it's not going to him directly. Do you understand? Yeah. That way you can account for it. But the moment you put money into a person's account and say take, you can't tell that person how to spend the money. Do you understand? And let's not forget, that's his wife.
Yes.
Do you understand? These two people know how they live. We don't know how they live inside their house.
Honestly.
Much as, the moment you bring out your stuff out there, everybody will have opinion. But we must always, we'll go use sense, the judge matter.
True.
You don't know what led to what. Some people will bring out, maybe the daughter or somebody will bring out just one part of conversation. We go suit them. Post it. Everybody will say, hey, the wife now this. The wife will bring out one part. We go suit them.
Yes.
No. If you want to judge a matter, you have to sit inside their house, call the two parties involved, and hear from them top to bottom.
But we don't have that. We don't have that. We can't
so leave them, make them chop the money now.
We can't do that.
If they want to buy Ferrari with the money, let them buy it.
If they don't want the matter to be judged, then the matter won't have been brought
out in the first place.
But did they tell you they don't want it to be judged?
But you just said
you're saying we shouldn't judge, but we are trying to.
No. I said something.
You're contradicting yourself.
No, I said something. I said once you bring out your matter,
yes,
people go judge them.
Yes.
Now, normal thing. But none of them has made any video to say nobody should judge. They are more concerned about spending that money.
No,
Apparently,
but
then it's worrying.
they are making videos to even debunk some rumors and speculations. Like I saw a
They are
video.
keeping us busy.
So
Apparently.
and we are busy.
We are
That's why we're talking about
Exactly.
it. Because I saw a video where the wife was trying to clarify the fact that AGN did not contribute money when they
Lovely. I love this point.
I saw a video where she was trying to. She said she was manipulated by Jessica to come out and say that AGN did not contribute any amount.
Permit me.
Jasmine,
Permit me.
right?
Yes.
Permit me to just cut in. Let me just say
Yeah,
this,
sure.
because I love for people to also listen and learn. I don't know much about the wife. Of course, I respect her. She's Mr. Ibu's wife.
Yeah.
You know, I respect her as well as a human being. I don't know anything about her.
Yeah.
But on that point, she got it absolutely wrong. AGN doesn't owe you anything. Okay, let's not get AGN doesn't. It's not AGN's responsibility. That's the Actors Guild of Nigeria. It's not AGN's responsibility to take care of you when you fall ill. How much money did you give them when you were not ill, when you were making the millions? Do you understand? Did you call AGN and say, okay, let me be giving you people 1 million every month? No, you were enjoying yourself, and then you fall ill. You come out to look for who to know. The life of a man, there will always be good times and there will be bad times.
Yeah.
The real man takes the good times and you take the bad times. You understand? Enjoy those good times. When the bad times come, you go muscle them. Nothing they happen. Don't be say when bad times go, you go they find who you go hang out for. AGN doesn't owe her anything. That's the body I also belong to. Okay, I've had health issues in the past. Thank God at least I was able to take care of myself. But I didn't come out to blame anybody. Hey, Una, no give me money. How much I give anybody when I make my money?
But the thing even is that AGN said they made contributions. I don't know who they gave it to, but I think there was a video where Kate Henshaw made. She even showed receipts of how
on
of
Mr. Ibu's
payment.
matter.
Yes. So that was why the wife now came out and said
They didn't receive
she's
anything.
sorry. No,
Oh.
that she's sorry, that it wasn't as if she did it on her own, that it was Jessica that manipulated her.
Oh, she's not
into
serious.
Coming out to
So
say-
somebody
AGN does
Okay.
contributions for a lot of people.
So-
Don't get
so
me
that-
wrong.
so
But
that's
at the
it.
same time, we must say the truth. They don't owe anybody.
Nobody really owes anybody anything.
Nobody owes
self,
anybody
actually.
anything.
Yeah,
I hate
So for
I
her-
hate entitlement. Nobody owes
Yes,
anybody
you understand
anything.
me? Nobody really owes anybody anything. If you fall ill, take care of yourself.
Yeah,
Nothing
that's
there.
it. That's why I'm talking about investment. That's why I talked about investment.
Yes, like-
be able to gather something for yourself, so that when the rainy day, you'll be able to.
Another thing as well. A lot of people have, actors, and a lot of people have fans. So there's this idea that if I bring out this matter, the person may
my
even have
fans,
money.
Yeah.
Yes,
Person may even have money in his
actually.
account and decide, man, if I bring out this thing, it's also
People
now
turn up.
format.
Yes.
Now format be that, and it works.
People are
Because I
doing
mean,
it.
where will you get 300 million in 4 days? Now format.
I don't even know.
It might even be more.
It
There are people
actually-
who love. Yes, there are
Yes.
people who truly love you. One person can give you
in
300
Nigeria
million
and
or
even
300
outside,
million.
actually.
Yes,
Mr.
now.
Ibu is a very funny person and
Yes.
he's been on stage for many
Yes.
years.
He has a
People
lot of
love
fans.
him. Yes.
So I won't be surprised if the money is even
More.
more. Somebody can give you that, and
But how
where
bad-
I stand, let me
Yeah.
tell you, funny thing where I stand.
Oh God.
If they give, as they don't give out the money. First of all, if they want fight for money, may they fight. Fight is allowed.
Definitely.
Fight now, normal thing. They go they fight
It
for
will
money.
definitely come up.
Do you understand? The only person I would love to listen to is the person that asked for funds. He hasn't said
Anything.
So all I'm concerned about is Mr. Ibu getting well.
Yeah.
Now I know that there is no way you give somebody money and tell the person how to spend the money. Now in wife, they will be, you understand? If they look and okay, we are treating this man with 40 million and then they have 300, that means they have 260 left. Fight good day. They must think
Yeah,
of
but
how
I
to-
heard that they're even asking
So-
for cuts and everything already.
Yeah, because that
And they're not even done
the
treating the
issue
man.
now. The issue now is between the adopted
Daughter and the wife.
The wife, where there's now a tussle between.
Are they still dragging?
Yes.
That's the issue now. The money part now. So we don't even know if the Mr. Ibu if he knows anything about how much and all of those things.
There's no
That's-
recent video
that's
since
the-
when he begged for.
Yeah, but at the end
he
of
does,
the
that he
day,
doesn't want his leg to be cut off, but now the leg has been cut off. No recent video, nothing about
Yeah.
him anymore.
yeah. So
I wish
but,
him well.
Yeah,
I
that's
wish him
just
well.
it. At the
Most
end of the
important
day,
thing.
we all
Sure.
wish him well.
I wish him well, and he's a man. He can run his family. He can decide whether his money goes out or it goes. He should know how to run his account.
But people need to make better investments though.
Yeah.
Because it's crazy. It's happening all over and all over again. But now we're hearing that one person that bought new car. That person that bought. Shebi Kizane just bought car. Now. Mr. celebrating 10 years on stage.
Yeah.
What a Rolls Royce.
Nigerian musicians
And brand
Rolls
new
Royce
music.
Cullinan.
Have more money than Nigerian actors.
That's the truth. That's the truth. I hope it gets better. Their industry seem to be doing very well now. You know, it wasn't always like that. It got to that point.
Yeah.
Ours is also building. I believe it will get to that. We'll not go beef anybody, you know.
But there are female actors that seem to be doing better than male
All
actors.
female.
But it's true now.
All female.
You see a party,
All
you see
female
one
Nigerian
female actor.
actors are doing
See, that's
better than
500 and they're carrying like a very big bundle.
They are
on
buying
one person's.
cars, they are
Yo.
buying houses, they are opening one empire,
that
the
money.
other empire.
I'll be honest with you. That money no be film money.
Okay, now which
You
one?
Now, which one?
understand? No, I'll tell you. It's always easy. First of all, I always give respect to whom respect is due. There are a lot of women who are working very hard. They work their asses off to make money. I give them that respect. I have a lot of them as friends. Working class, you know, I mean, look at two of you. Look at what you're doing. You're working. You're not, you know, depending on anybody to give you money. At the same time, we know where some people get their money from. It's easier for women to make money than men. A lot
How?
of men, yes, a lot of from men. No be, I know they tied mouth. They
But the
make a lot
men
of
are now
money
making money
A
from
lot of-
men
a
too.
lot of-
Abi? The gays.
by like this. Make
that
your money
joy.
now, it concern me.
That's what I'm saying.
That's why I said before we started the show, we're talking about some people who were posting houses and posting cars.
yes.
I said, don't be influenced by what
By
these
what
people.
they post.
You don't know whether now waiting they get from by
I think-
backside.
My hand,
from-
no,
I
they
think we
will. I
don't
don't follow
I
that.
a lot of women
People
in
actors
the
doing well
industry
now.
who
At
make
least
that
Alex Okubo
money.
is doing well, and it's still in the same acting industry, except it probably has some investment outside of acting that is getting him his own money. I don't know.
Do you live in this house?
Tor, I'm
You
saying
don't-
I don't
you
know. I'm
live
just
with it.
saying.
I've seen his house on social media.
Tor,
Have
and
you
the
entered
cars
the house
and
in real life?
everything.
Have you lived with him in his house? Leave social media. Leave social media.
Wow.
Respect to everybody, but leave. Don't ever judge by. See, I'll tell you something on social media. People show you what they want you to see,
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
not really the real thing. Yes, sir. People show you what they want you to see. I
But-
told you guys something before. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
when you're
but
done.
really, when it comes to show business, I don't think anybody should show the real thing. When it comes
Yeah.
to show business,
Yeah.
you can't show the real thing. You show
Okay.
people what they want to
What
see.
they want
What
to
they
It's
see.
want
like
to see.
makeup. Like when you're it's only the people in your house probably that
That
would
sees
know
you.
that know who you really or what you really look like. But
like.
once you're
True.
stepping out of your house,
True.
you have to have a makeover.
True.
So yeah, so it's show business. I don't
But
think
there's this-
anybody should.
There's
come
this actress I'm not sure I'm going to pronounce her surname properly. Jemima Osondu, I think.
out.
Okay.
She
Jemima.
posts a lot about how she revamps her dresses, how she does her makeup herself,
Okay.
and how she's trying to manage what she has to still look good and everything. And she does look great when she steps out.
Okay.
She talks about how, okay, if she calls a frontal installer
Okay,
to
so
the
I'm
house
not-
and
I'm
then the
not
money that they
just
would charge
talking
and
about-
everything.
I'm not just talking about the physical.
I understand what you're saying. I'm just saying, like,
makeup,
you can
like,
find
I'm
ways to
talking
live
about-
within your means. That's what I'm trying to say here. Like, you was talking about how the highest paid could be paid about 5 million naira. 5 million naira is a lot of money. As much as we know now, Nigeria economy, when you buy the food you buy with like $1,000 before, could possible you're spending like 5K
Yeah.
now.
Mhm.
So, but then you still find a way to live within your means so that because you cannot predict what will happen in the future.
That's true.
It's not
That's true.
possible.
That's true.
Nobody's praying to die. Nobody's praying to fall sick, but it could happen.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then you cannot just believe that, oh, I like to live I perish life, but still you still have to be very careful because you can actually perish the perish.
Yep.
And
Everybody
if people
will
don't
perish.
show up to if people are okay, if they cannot actually help you at that time, what do? Because you're not entitled to their money now.
Yeah, you die now.
Jesus. I just
I
like
have to be very practical. Everybody's going to die. I don't know. See, I don't fear death, and I tell people don't fear death. Do you know when you were born? No.
No.
Did you dictate when you were born? No. You can't dictate when you die. Everybody
True.
will die. Live well, you die. Don't live well, you die. Rich, you die. Poor, you die. So why are we scared?
But still,
True.
live
Just be
well.
good.
Yes.
Be good to yourself. Be good to others. You understand? As much as you can. Okay. Be in good terms with God. And that's it. It can happen at any time.
Yep.
So
I
no
was telling-
fear, nothing.
True. I was telling my mom that I use two people as an example. Two people staying in the same place, for instance. And where can I use now? Okay, like Guagalada, for instance. Then the houses they are cheap and everything, and might not even be staying in the best of the houses in Guagzo,
Yeah.
but like that kind of thing. They come out from there, go into town, spend very little, trek half of the way, eat like very, very cheap food, save all their money. They are both planning to jackpot. And then unfortunately the other one falls sick or something. You use all that money instead of jackpot, you use to treat sickness. It's planned well, though. But unfortunately, natural circumstances happen and then he has to use the money to treat himself.
Yeah.
Jackpot plans aborted. The other person could just die. Jackpot money saved, yes, but you're not jackpotting anyway. You've died. So like you just have to just manage life. Or like you have to think round. As much as you're flexing life now, you should also be ready for emergencies. It can happen anytime.
Sure.
So we have to just find a way to balance every.
Yeah. If you're not ready, emergency will take you now. We bury you.
Emergency. Never see me.
we move forward.
No.
At the end of the day, I'd rather be rich than
Yeah.
be famous.
Okay.
Like I'd rather have money than for people to know me, because I think that's the trend in the whole entertainment industry, especially when you're narrowing it down to Nigeria. When you're narrowing it down, a lot of these entertainers, they just want the whole fame, people knowing you on social media, people
Getting
having followers
things.
and everything, but you're not really
Fake
there.
giveaways. Oh
You're
my
not
God.
really
I've heard
there.
of fake giveaways.
You borrow money, you borrow clothes, you borrow wigs,
Everything.
you borrow everything, but you're not really there. Like, what's the point? Why not just hustle? Like, aside being, I think it's a stepping stone, being an influencer or being an entertainer.
Yeah.
It's a stepping stone for you to achieve
greater
other
things.
things.
Yes,
You understand? Not
actually.
just, but don't use it to, like, you block yourself. Like, it's
Stress.
just narrow-minded.
Yeah.
You just stay within that confluence and you're okay.
Yeah.
Like you get so deep into it, you don't know the difference between your reality
Why don't you
and the
use
fake
that
anymore.
as a stepping stone to like achieve like you now you can enter anywhere, you can dive into
lot
other
of things.
aspects
Yeah.
aside
Yes,
being an actor.
an
It
actor.
opens doors
A
for
lot,
you to
a
do
whole
other
lot, a
things.
whole
Do you
lot.
Yeah.
understand? And you make, so why just stay and you're just famous for just being an actor, you're just famous for just being an influencer or an entertainer and everything, and you just stay there, but you don't really have the money. So when
to
the chips
pursue,
are down,
yes,
you're now
Everybody won't have
struggling.
sense. So
that's the truth.
everybody
actually.
in this world cannot have sense.
Yes,
Just
No, that's
don't-
that's why they
some
always be the
people
rich
like
and the
me
poor.
will have sense.
Oh,
You know, I
God.
don't know about I don't know about the people who don't have sense, but it's even good. Everybody can have sense, so
Everybody
that
can.
they,
I'm looking forward to the day that you will be dragged. Me.
I've not been dragged
I
before.
want to, no, me. There's so much.
in the past 2 years, people have been dragging me.
But that's the
I'm
truth.
currently the most talked about male Nigerian.
Oh my
But you know the funny thing, it's good. Okay,
Yeah.
I know they fear drag. I don't even read all those things.
Oh,
You
okay,
know
that's
that-
good.
Yeah, I don't read. You see all the things they write about me. I don't read them. Great people don't read these things. We
Yeah,
make
that's
we give you talk, and then we face
Make
the
use
next
of-
chapter of
yeah.
our lives.
Make use of
Then
the-
you'll be talking.
Yeah.
Do you understand? I've spent 18 years in Nollywood. Sometimes if you look at the people who are saying these things, these are young people.
Yeah.
Somebody in his I'm 41. Somebody who's 23, 24 is trying to tell me how to live my life. Somebody who is not married is trying to tell me how to live my life when I've been married for how many? 18, 19 years. What will I be talking with the person? Do you understand? So you put out your material and then you go. In fact, right now, I'm going
Put
to
out
give
your
them
material
talk. Make
for
them
me.
they talk the talk.
You put out the material and then you go.
Simple. You waka. Make them they talk. Only 2 people must not be dragged in my presence. My
like-
father and President Bola Ahmed
Eh.
Tinubu. Drag 2 of them, I finish you. When you want to drag me from now till the end. Drag me like I pass my neighbor generator. No problem. If you come for Tinubu, I come for you. You come for my father, I come for you. We have a lot.
Oh, God.
Oh God, I love this country. I love this country, man.
Naija and cruise. Anna.
Beautiful country, man.
Okay, it's been interesting and it's been awesome actually. So we went from Mr. Ibu to Mr. Yul Edochie and to
We're not even
We've
doing
not even entered my matter. Make we enter my matter next edition.
We did not say it.
Next
We just-
episode, make
we
we
just
enter my
brush
matter.
I can't prepare very well. I want to drag you.
I'm
Prepare
already
yourself.
prepared. I'm already prepared. There's so much I want to add.
Prepare yourself and
Yes.
let us fire.
Oh, yeah,
Fire.
now.
Don't fear nothing.
Oh, yeah,
Drag
now.
anybody you
Come
want.
with a bulletproof.
Oh, yeah,
Come with
now.
a jacket.
No, me na bulletproof now. 2 years. My bulletproof should be studied in Cambridge University. And
yeah,
also the highest university in Nigeria. They don't attack me 2 years, nothing dey
Nothing.
happen. I still dey here and I'm going higher.
But you know that you said that you don't used to read this thing. This one we're giving it to you face to face.
What?
Yes. You
Uh-huh.
said you don't used to,
You don't used to read the
all
comments
the,
and
the dragging that they used to drag you online.
No, I don't.
This one we're bringing it to you.
We are facing
We're bringing
you.
it to you
and we are-
live.
Now, who you want to start talking now? Talk.
No, please. So thank you
Why
very
you not
much.
the fear?
No, we have to
Now
come.
we dey
We have to
here.
come
Other
prepared,
people dey
please.
Sambisa.
No,
Now we dey
we
here.
come prepared. So it was nice having you guys, and today was very fun. It was fun, and this is the first episode of the second season.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so it's been nice. It's a nice. What will I say now? It's a nice welcome back.
Yeah.
Nice. So,
Yeah.
okay, so this is us. This is what we draw the curtains.
Yep.
I am Omogie Joy, and to my left is
Rukky.
and to my right.
Yul Edochie, sexiest man in Nigeria.
Of
Most
course.
handsome man, best voice in the country, best
Woo!
voice in Africa,
Woo!
best voice in the world,
Oh my
Oh my
most
God.
controversial,
Can
most
somebody
wanted.
be this
That's
proud?
Bye bye.